back to Nazareto's channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a product review, and this is a pretty cool product here I'd like to show you. I got this off Amazon. This is a Wi-Fi smart garage door opener, and I'd like to review this for you, and we're going to install it together. Let's open this up. Just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video. I just picked up this product for myself, for my home, and I decided to do a quick review for you and this installation. So this is a Chamberlain smart garage controller. It says My QI Connect. This is a special app we need to install. And this is a package. This is how it arrived. You can open your garage pretty much through the app, and you will know if the garage is open or if it's closed, all on your phone. I already broke this tape, so it's supposed to be fairly easy. So let's open this up. And the packaging includes this little easy installation guide. Chamberlain Smart Controller. There's a mounting plate, there's a sensor. This is a sensor. And this is the control unit, the brain. Has a power cord, mounting hardware. This is the wall plate. This little sensor that goes on the door. There's a power supply for this unit, and some screws, mounting screws, and they also included this little stickers to attach the sensor onto the door, and a warning sticker. This is just to put it on the door when you finish installing it for child safety. This little sensor, we're gonna attach it on the top of the garage door with these stickers right here, and this main mounting unit, whatever you call it, the brain, and we're gonna install it with the screws. First we're gonna do the mounting plate, and then it just twists and turns into place. But before we do anything, let's open this up. The first thing that instruction wants it to do is to download this app called My QI, either from Apple Store or Google Play. I already did that on my phone, and let's follow the directions. As you see, I already did this, and now it's asked me, My QI would like to send you notification. Sure. And let's do continue. Now it says get started. Ask you about this, select the country, and then ask you to fill out this up. So once you register for this app, create a username and password, open the email, and complete the steps. And then this thing pops up. It says select your device. Now we have this smart garage controller right here. Click on this, and it says what you need. Before you get started, this is what you will be needing. Access to your compatible garage door opener. This is what we have hanging on the ceiling. We have a good strong Wi-Fi, and you need a password. Then it says you need a ladder, drill, and Bluetooth enabled. I'm all good on this, so I'm just gonna put all these check marks. We're just gonna do that, and I am ready. Now it says first thing you need to do, power up the device. Go to your garage, plug in your device in any outlet. Do not mount the device yet. Light should be blinking blue on this device. So let's do that. So we plugged in this Chamberlain into the outlet, this unit, and it's blinking blue, which is a good thing. The app says it's powered up. Next. Now it's searching. It says discover the device below. And I'm connecting to the network, trying to find a Wi-Fi network. It says pairing. Now this is my network. Then click next, and it says connecting. Wait for next step. Everything's so easy. Just follow the directions on the MyQ app, and it says connected. You have successfully connected your device to your network. Now let's connect your device to your garage door opener, or to the, and now this green light should be lit up. That's exactly what we have here. Click next. Now they want us to do remove the tab on the sensor and firmly pull out the tab on the door sensor. Pull the tab from the inside, and it says click next. You have to push and release the button on the front. You will see a red LED. Okay, good. Next, the next step will pair your door sensor to your smart garage control hub. Tap next to begin. Warning, a bright light will flash on the middle of the smart garage controller. Alright, let's hit next. I think they want us to hit this. Yep. So the light flashed bright. Nice. Everything is good on this end. It says it's paired. Door sensor is now paired to your smart garage control hub. Let's click next, what they want us to do. Install the sensor. We'll now show you how to mount the door sensor. Watch the video below or tap next for step-by-step instruction. You can watch the video, or you can just click next. And it says locate the top panel of your garage door. Choose either the right or the left highlighted area. See? I'm going to choose the left area right here. Clean and dry area as needed. Next, you have to pull the film on on the strips connected to the back of the sensor. Very self-explanatory. Even shows you where to apply the tape. Next step, it's all easy, self-explanatory. And also it says, with the top facing up position, and firmly press the door sensor onto the garage door for 30 seconds. Very easy. Easy. Let's do that. I'm gonna mount it like right here. Clean the area. You want the sensor to stick very good. I'm gonna put it like right here. So we have these little Velcro strips right here. You just attach this part to the back of the sensor, same as this with this one, and just apply it in the corner here and the bottom here. So as you see, I apply these Velcro straps, and let's attach this on the top right here. Push it in, hold it. They say hold it for like 20 seconds. And, it's already mounted pretty solidly. It's good. This is how it looks on the top of the garage door, the sensor. And before you attach it, make sure the area is degreased, cleaned, and it's holding good. Next step, it says pair to motor. Next step will pair your smart garage control hub to your garage door motor. Let's click next. And there's a motor right there. This is what we got. Click next. Need a ladder. Okay, self-explanatory. You have to select the brand of your garage door motor. I know I have Craftsman, I believe. Let's look at that. Craftsman. So half a horsepower. There's a button over there. It's called Learn button, and it looks like it's purple. So let's follow the instructions. Okay, there's a Craftsman. We're gonna hit Craftsman. Come on. Craftsman, right there. And it says locate the button. See here? find the Learn Program button, and it will be located on the side, like we already found it. And that it says, if your garage door motor is located on the wall, locate the Learn button on your wall. Okay, I found it. And it says, what color? Select the color. I know this is the color. Purple. Learn mode. Press and release like a doorbell the program Learn button you just found. So we're going to press that button. The LED on your garage door motor should turn on. Do not press this button for too long or it could erase your Learn transmitter and keypad. So just for 1 second, just 1 second. The light is on. Next, it says pairing. This is pairing. And we just had something like the light flashed. So I say, we are now attempting to pair with your motor depending on your brand. All right. It's still doing something. Garage door is opening right now. I could see the garage door is opening. And it says paired. Beautiful. Next, and then we're going to create a name for it. And then let's just leave it garage door. Done. Next, second sensor if you have a second. We don't have a second sensor. And then it says step-by-step installation instruction. Follow the instruction. Ready. Next, 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 next. I'm just going to show you how to do this. Next. Okay. As you see, it says on my app, it says garage is open. When you hit this button, it's supposed to close. Also, you're gonna have like an alarm, beep beep, before it closes the door. See, it's closing it. Nice. All right, let's do it again. It says garage door is closed. Okay, let's go to the MyQ app. It says garage door is closed right now. Let's open it. Hit it once and it's opening. So we know we successfully programmed everything. Now it's opening. And on the app, you're gonna see garage door is open. Garage door is open. It says for how many seconds? For 6, 7, 8 seconds. Beautiful, I like it. And when you hit close, now this thing is gonna go crazy. It's gonna show you like a warning. The garage door is closing. Be careful. And there you go. It says open. It's supposed to say when it's closed. Closed. Okay. Nice. Let's mount this thing on the wall. What I'm gonna do, I have another outlet right there. There's an outlet. I'm gonna try mounting that control unit over there. There's an outlet there, and I know we have a stud there, and we have a stud here, so we can just drill it through, and it's gonna be solid. And let's install it. But first thing I need to do, I need to move my kayak to the side. I have a mess in my garage. I apologize for that. But I gotta move all this so I can stand there and drill the holes. I know exactly where my stud is. I'm just gonna drill with these screws into the stud, and we're just gonna mount this plate. As you see here, I know my stud is there, and I'm just drilling it, screwing it in directly into the stud. Done. All you have to do, just align this and twist it clockwise. All right, cool. This unit is secure, it's not going anywhere. I'm just gonna channel the power cord through here on the side. Here I have a spare outlet. Just plug this in, and we're gonna channel this cable along here and into the port on the side. I'll plug it in. I guided the power cable through the holes around and into the receiving unit, plugged it in, and as you see, green light is on. That means everything is powered on, online, good to go. And it looks pretty good on the ceiling like this, you know, this little tiny box. And it's right in the middle, in the center, because I wanted to, let's just say if I'm closing the door, it's gonna flash, the light is gonna flash, it's gonna give like a warning, you know, the door is closing. So it's right in the middle. I like it. You don't have to hang it on the wall, like on the ceiling like this. You can guide this, put it on the wall somewhere, and I see you can also mount it here next to the door opener button. You can do it here. And if you have an outlet, see, like I do, I could have easily mounted here, but I decided to use that outlet on the top and just guide the wires, make it look nice. And the installation is complete. It's very easy. It took me like 20 minutes maybe, and I also was recording, so very easy setup. As long as your router is set up properly, just follow the app instruction on your phone and you'll be fine. Alright, so now I want to check, let's say, if my garage door is open or not. As you see here, you could be anywhere in the world, and it says your garage door is closed. Or if you want to open it, let's say when you get home, you just hit the button and it opens. And I have a bunch of junk in the garage, I don't want to show you, but says door is open, shows you for how long it's open, and you can just hit close, just hit it and you hear a beep beep beep. Takes like 5 seconds and that garage door is closing. The cool thing is you can preset schedules, custom schedules for closing your garage door. Also, you can have a guest access, securely shared access with up to 3 people. So that's pretty nice. And what I like the best, it's real-time alerts, getting notification anytime somebody opens or closes your garage. And if you have like special deliveries, you can open the garage for your Amazon delivery guy, but I wouldn't do it. And this was it. This is my quick video for you, and this is non-sponsored video, non-promotional, just sharing my thoughts on the product. That's all it is. So guys and girls, thank you for watching my Nazareto's channel. I really appreciate it if you put any like, share, subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful, and now you can install your smart garage opener. So see you on the next one, guys and girls. Bye bye.